What we've got here is our mobile safety shower and eye wash. This thing is fully independent, runs off 800 watts of solar. It's got two inverters, one for the green safety light that stays on all the time, and then also an inverter to get a 240 volt pump. Because what we've got to do is for the standards, we've got to do 75 litres a minute for 15 minutes running out of the shower. So obviously inside we've got a 1200 litre water tank that gets filled through a cam lock here, and what we've got here is a tube that open this valve up and you can see the water level go in, so you know how high when to stop. We've got an overflow, so if you fill it and it goes, if you walk away, it's just going to overflow back into our graded pit here. When you're operational, you switch that off, the valve, you don't need to see that running. We also have a first aid kit that's supplied with it as well. Internally, we've got 50mm insulated panels on the outside to keep the temperature down of the water. Everything inside is insulated, including the shower here, so when you get the first hit of water, it's not going to be hot. It's not going to burn you, especially if you're cleaning your eyes. The last thing you want is that. To operate, it's no different to a normal safety shower. First thing you do, you're going to come on here, pull the handle down there. Obviously the pump kicks in, lets you know that the pump's activated and the solar healthy is good. Over on the switch board. That will run at 75 litres a minute for 15 minutes. And then also we have our eye watch station here as well. When it's activated, obviously it sets off a safety alarm so people know. In here our solar chargers are on Bluetooth. So each shift, first thing you got to do is jump onto the app, make sure that you have enough power coming in, because it's been overcast for 2 or 3 days. You're going to have to plug in to charge the batteries up, as in solar won't work in the weather. Also here we have an access door, so this will be locked. It'll be the key will be locked away with whoever your dedicated safety officer is. And inside here, as you can see, this is our 1200 litre water tank, fully insulated. We've got solar isolator, pump isolator. We've got 2 batteries running in parallel to feed the pump, and 1 battery to feed the light that needs to be on 24/7. Obviously we can adjust flow rate and pressure through here, but once you get on site and you install it, you get your 75 litres a minute. You leave it at that. We've got 2 battery isolators here as well. Also down here we've got a drain, so if you ever want to recycle your water, just pull this hose out, undo it, open the valve in there, and you drain the tank, and then you can refill it again. Oh, and it's forkable. We've got forklift pockets so you can move it wherever you need to go. What we've got here is green light saying that the solar is healthy, and then when the pump's activated, you'll hear a siren go off and this red light come on. That's just to allow people that system has been operated. We've got ventilation through both panels. Obviously we've got inverters in here and electrical controls in here, with all your isolators behind a scatching plate. Obviously these are lockable, so obviously no one can get in it who's not an electrician. Here is our 2 inverters. This one's running the pump. This one's running the green safety light, and then we've got our 2 chargers here that you can connect onto with Bluetooth to see how much volts and how much current's coming in from the solar. In here's our main control panel. Obviously we have main isolator here. We have a scatching plate that's lockable. And then obviously we've got all our main relays and switches, RCD testing here. And we have a filtered vent, which you'll see here on the outside. So we run a filter in that as well, just to keep dust particles out of all our electrical control systems.